So, very good morning. Welcome to Edu Math Zone. So, welcome to SSC Public Examination Revision Series. So, in this part, today we talk about how to find out median for the group data. So, that means we have been discussing statistic chapter. So, today we concentrate on how to find out the median for the group data. So, let's have a directly we shall switch over to the. So, now problem number 35. Okay. So, first all of you go to the question, look at the question, look at the screen all of you. The distribution means frequency distribution. The distribution below gives the weights of 30 students of 30. There are total 30 students. 30 students of a class. Find the median weight. Find the median weight of the students. So, first, let us focus on the table. What is the table given here? Table is weight next number of students, number of students. Forty to 45, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 75, 70 to 75. So, 40 to 45 2 members, 2 students, here 3, 8, 6, 3, 2. So, this is the table. So, in the examination also the table will be given like this. Right. So, first this is the given distribution, frequency distribution. See, the distribution below gives the weights of 30 total, the frequency 2 plus 3 plus 8 plus 6 plus 6 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 30 students of a class. Find the median, this is the keyword, median weight of the students. That means we need to find out the median for the given distribution, that we need to find out. So, let us just observe the solution, how to find out the median of the group data. So, let us proceed for the solution now. Solution, first table write down, once again rewrite the table here. Weight, first weight write down. So weight means this is class interval. Next, number of students. Number of students. This is Fi, frequency. Next, cumulative frequency, write down. Cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. So while finding the median, you need to keep this, you need to focus on cumulative frequency. So in addition to these two, we need to write the cumulative frequency. So now first of all here write down weight are 40 to 45, 40 to 45. Next we have 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, and last in class interval is 70 to 75. So now 40 to 45, the two students, 3, 8, next 6, 6, 3, 2, right. This is the number of students. First cumulative frequency we need to write it. First table, you prepare the table, this is the table. Okay. So for median you need to prepare the 3 columns, this first column, second column, third column. So first column weight, number of students are given in the table itself only, but in addition to these two we prepared the new one, new column, that is the cumulative frequency, cumulative frequency. So this is first class interval, this is second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. Okay. First let us write now cumulative frequency. How to write the cumulative frequency means first here 2 write down, next add this 2 and 3. So 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 write down, add this 8, 5 plus 8 is 13 write down. So 13 plus 6, 18 write down, 18 plus 6 is 24 write down, 24 plus 3, 27. So now 2, 3, 8, 6, 6, 3, 2, 2, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 3, 13, this is 19, sorry, this is 19, so this is 19, this is 19 plus 6, 25, this is 25, 25 plus 3, 28, and 28 plus 2 is 30. Yes, there were 30 students in the class. Once again, you all of you check. First 2 write down. First 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 8 13, 13 plus 6 19, 19 plus 6 25, 25 plus 3 28, 28 plus 2 30. This is called cumulative frequency. Okay, now I will remove this one. Right. So you need to prepare this table like this now. Now the table actually looks like this. Okay. So now what shall we do now here? So we need to proceed like this now. Solution. How to proceed the solution means here total frequency first consider, that is n is equal to 30. Now find n upon 2, n upon 2 is equal to 35 2, that is 15. So in the cumulative frequency just look for the frequency, the cumulative frequency just more than 15. Just more than 15 means this will be the cumulative frequency just more than 15. So that means actually this observation 15 comes under 55 to 60. This 55 to 60 is called the median class. So that means write down here, this observation lies in 55 to 60. So it is the median class is 55 to 60. Okay. So now here write down now. So this is CF. This is called CF. CF means cumulative frequency. This is called F. This is the frequency of the median class. This 55 is called L. So here write down now. Here L equals to 55. Next CF is equal to 13. F is equal to 6. Then we need to find out, already n by 2 is there, n by 2 is 15, n is equal to 30. So now H write down. Size of the class is 60 minus 55 or 45 minus 40 is 5. H is equal to 5. So now formula we need to write, exactly correct. 13 plus 6 is 19. Exactly, I have written 19 only. So now okay, with the help of these values we need to find out the median. First formula write down. So formula also very important in the examination. You need to write the formula. So you need to write the formula. Right. So formula, median equals to L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency CF upon F multiplied with H. So now in the place of L replace 55. So now L is being replaced by 55. In the place of L 55 write down, plus in the place of n by 2 30 by 2 is 15 minus CF is 13 upon F is replaced by 6 and multiplied by the class size whose value is 5. So now we need to simplify this one. Let us simplify it now. So this equals to 55 plus 15 minus 13 is 2 upon 6 into 5. This is 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. This will be 55 plus 5 upon 3. Now divide 5 by 3. 3 1 ja 3. Subtracting you get 2. 2 is not divisible by 2. 3. Put 0 and point 3 6 ja. That will be 18. Again 2 you will be getting 0. 3 6 ja 18. So it will be non-terminating decimal and repeating decimal you will be getting. So that's why this equal to 55 plus 1.66. So now 55.0 write down 1.66. You need to add. So 6 6 6 6. That means 56.66. So you need to write the answer like this. Hence the median weight the median weight of the students is equal to 56.66. So, this is the answer. This is the answer. I hope you might have followed this one. Okay. So, next let us go for next problem. Next problem. Right. Right. 36th question. 36th question. Calculate the median for the following distribution. For the following distribution. Okay. Here what is given means marks obtained number of students. Number of students. Number of students. See, here marks obtained is below 10, below 10, below 20, below 30, below 40, below 50, below 60. This is 6, 15, 29, 41, 60, 70. So, that means this is absolutely cumulative frequency itself only. There are total number of here students are 70. So, that means n is equal to 70, but here actually the below 20, below 10, below 20, below 30, below 40, below 50, below 60, we need to construct the class intervals first of all. How could you construct? Below 10 means less than 10, less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50, less than 60. So, we can write 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Already cumulative frequency is given. So, here n value is equal to 70, n by 2 35, just look for just more than 35, that will be 41. This class will be the median class. Then find out L value, CF value, F value, class size. Then recall the formula, substitute in the formula of median, then so that we can find out median for the following distribution. So, let us proceed for the solution now. So, this is the table given. So, all of you look at the screen. Right. So, let us proceed for the solution now. So, now the solution. So, first write down marks obtained marks obtained, this is class interval, number of students, this is frequency, cumulative frequency, cumulative frequency, cumulative frequency. So first, so below 10, the below 10 we can write 0 to 10, below 20, 10 to 20, next 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, below 60, 50 to 60. This is very important first. First, already cumulative frequency is given. What is the cumulative frequency? First, you prepare the table. So let us wait for a while. This is the first class interval. This is second. This is third, fourth, fifth and sixth class interval. So first write down cumulative frequency is given. This is 6, 15, 29, 41, 60 and 70. But we need to find out the frequency. So how to find out the frequency? That means very simple. Here first 6 write down. 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6 we need to write. 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6 is equal to, you will be getting 9. 29 minus 15. 29 minus 15 is equal to 4, 14. 41 minus 29. 41 minus 29 is equal to, you will be getting 2. This is 12. Next 60 minus 41. 60 minus 41 equals to 9 and 39. Sorry, this is you will be getting 19. 19. Next 70 minus 60, that will be 10. So 6, 9, 14, 12, 19, 10. So just you remove this one. So let me explain how to find out. First 6 write down. 15 minus 6 is 9. 29 minus 15 is 14. 41 minus 29 is 12. 60 minus 41 is 19. 70 minus 60 is 10. Okay, understood now. So now here what shall we do means we need to find out n by 2, 35. 70 by 2 is 35. More than 35 is, this is the value. So now this becomes the, median class 30 to 40. Obviously this will be F. This will be the CF. This will be the CF. So okay, now we need to write all these things. We need to mention it now. How to mention? So from above table, from above table, from above table, n is equal to 70, n by 2, n by 2 is equal to 70 by 2, 35. So this observation lies in 30 to 40, 30 to 40. So the median class is, the median class is 30 to 40. The median class is 30 to 40. Here this 30 is called L, L is equal to 30. Next go for the table. Here F is 12, F is 12. Next CF write down. Cumulative frequency preceding to the median class, that is 29. So 29. Now H is equal to 40 minus 30, that is 10. Now formula write down. So formula to compute or to find out a median. So median equals to, median is given by the formula L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F multiplied with H. Don't forget it. The formula is very, very important, that you need to write it. So understood all of you? So now let us substitute respective values. See, L equals to, here how much? L equals to 30 here, 30 plus n by 2, n by 2 is 35 minus CF, CF is replaced by 29 upon F, F is 12, F is 12, okay, multiplied with 10, H is 10. So 30 plus 35 minus 29 is 6 upon 12 into 10, 6 1 ja, 6 2 ja. So this is 30 plus 1 upon 2 into 10, 1 upon 2 into 10, okay, 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja. This will be 30 plus 5, that is 35. Hence median equal to 35. So understood the problem? Understood or not? Yes or no? So now are you able to solve your exercise problems from your textbook? Can you do it? I think yes. Right, let us move to the next problem. Now the 37th problem. 37th problem. The median of the following frequency distribution is 28.5 and sum of all the frequencies is 60. That means total frequency is 60. Find the values of P and Q. So this we need to find out. Here class is given and next frequency given. So that is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. This is the table given. Just observe the table. Zero to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. So, respective frequencies are given here. Phi, P, it is unknown, P value we need to find out. This is 20, next 15, 30 to 40 and 50 to 60 is also there, 50 to 60 is also there, 50 to 60, right. 15, next Q, this unknown and phi. So, now we need to find out P value and Q value. Here what is given? The median of the distribution is given and total frequency is given. So, with the help of these two values, we need to find out B value and Q value in the given distribution table. So, they are missing, the missing frequencies we need to find out. So, how could you find? So, let me explain this concept of this problem. This is the last model and tomorrow we are going to discuss about yet another chapter, that is probability chapter. Okay, now solution. Let us proceed to the solution now. Write down here class, frequency and cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency, right. Let us write here 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Next write down here phi, P, 20, 15, Q and phi, right. Cumulative frequency, let us write. What is the cumulative frequency? Phi, phi plus P, phi plus P 20, 25 plus P, 25 plus P plus 15, that is 40 plus P, 40 plus P plus Q, 40 plus P plus Q, next 40 plus P plus Q plus phi, 45 plus P plus Q. So, in this way we can find out the cumulative frequency. So, this is the table we need to prepare. Right. So, write down now solution. From above table, see just last you observe this one, this is the total frequency. Total frequency is how much given? That is 60 is given. From above table we have 45 plus P plus Q is equal to 60, sum of the frequencies. P plus Q equals to 60 minus 45. So, that will be P plus Q is equal to 15 you will be getting. Say equation 1, this is first equation, we shall get it. And now total frequency n is equal to 60, n by 2 find out. And moreover, sorry, 1 minute, median is given. So, median is equal to, since median is equal to 28.5. This 28.5 lies in 2230 in this class 2230. So this 28.5 lies in 2230. So 2230 is called median class. This is the median class. So that means since the median is 28.5, it lies in 2230. So median class is 2230. So that has been determined now, the median class. As we know the median class, you remember one thing. So this is the F. Now this will be the cumulative frequency, CF. Okay, let us write the values now. Here, so L is 20, F is also 20, CF is equal to 5 plus P, and next we need here H value. H is equal to 30 minus 20 is 10. Now median write down. Formula. What is the formula for median, or formula to find out median? So median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F times H. So don't get confusion, already median given here, median is 28.5. So 28.5 write down, 28.5. L stands for 20, N by 2, don't get confusion, total is 60, N by 2, here also N by 2 also write down, N by 2 is equal to total sum of the frequency 60 upon 2, that will be 30. So now N by 2, 30 minus CF, it's very important thing, minus of pi plus P, that is minus of pi plus P upon F. F is 20 multiplied with this is H is 10. This is very important now. So now we need to simplify this one. First we get the P value here. So let us move to next page. Okay. So now, so let us simplify this one now. So now what shall we do now? Let us take this 20 this side now. 28 minus 5 minus 20 equals to 30 minus into plus 5 minus 5 minus into plus P minus P upon 20 into 10. 10 1 ja, 10 2 ja. So you will be getting 28 minus 28.5 minus 20, that will be 8.5. So 8.5 equals to 30 minus 5 is 25, 25 minus P upon 2, cross multiply, we need to cross multiply like this. So 8.5 into 2, that means 85 into 2 you do it, 2 5 are 10, 170, put 1 point, 17. So you will be getting like this, 17 equals to 25 minus P. So bring this minus P this side, 17 this side. So then what do you get now here? See, P equals to 25 minus 17. So that will be 8. So P equals to 8. But we should find out even Q also. So now from equation 1, we have, go back to the question, P plus Q is equal to 15. So P plus Q is equal to 15. So in the place of P, write down this 8 value. So 8 plus Q is equal to 15. Now just take away 8 to this side. Then what do you get now here? Q equals to 15 minus 8, that is 7. Therefore, Q is equal to 7. Hence, P is equal to 8 and Q is equal to 7. So, my dear students, the total chapter has been completed. So, one thing you do it, you practice your exercise problems also, example problems also regarding to the median. So, then you ask any doubts to your respective teachers. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day. All the best. May God bless you.